All right, let's go ahead and unbox the Neo XS by MDhearing. These are hearing aids made by, or rechargeable hearing aids made by MDhearing. Here's the box here. We're going to open it up. And we got a ton of paperwork. You can read through that if you want. But we're getting to the good stuff. So here are the hearing aids themselves. And I'm going to show them up close for you. This is the recharging box. It's got a USB Type-C recharge, some information on the bottom. And when you open it up, you get the hearing aids. Now, if you notice, as long as they're not blinking, I hope they're not blinking, you have 3 LED lights here that kind of indicate, number one, if they are charged, if they are charging, or if they are dead, and the colors will change on you. But left and right side, here is the hearing aid itself, super small. As you can see, it's got an R on it, which represents right. And the one from the left has an L on it, which represents left side. Hopefully the camera caught that. So you can never mix them up, which one goes in which ear. So that's the hearing aids themselves. As we open it up, we also have an accessory box. And this is where you can find your wall outlet, your charger, and different tips for different ear canal sizes. And there they are there. And cleaning tips. Everyone needs some cleaning tips, right? So there's a little brush in there and so on and so forth.